Hey, ever wished you could conjure up your own mango tree right at home? Well, get ready, because today, I'm showing you a magic trick straight from nature's playbook. Yep, you can grow a mango tree from just a branch. Now I know what you're thinking. Mangoes, those juicy, sunshine-filled fruits, don't just fall from the sky, but with a little science and a touch of patience, you can turn one branch into an entire tree. This is called stem cutting propagation. Don't worry, it sounds complicated, but it's surprisingly simple. Let's break it down. Picture a healthy mango tree, thick, leafy branches swaying in the breeze. You'll want to snip a branch that's about as thick as a pencil, maybe 8 to 10 inches long. Make sure it looks lively, not too young or too old. Clip it off with clean, sharp cutters. Safety first, folks. Now here's where the magic happens. Peel off the leaves from the lower half of the branch. Dip that fresh-cut end into a little rooting hormone. Think of it as a growth potion. Then, pop the cutting into a pot of moist, well-draining soil. No need to bury it deep, just enough to keep it standing tall. You might be wondering, why does this work? That's the sciencey bit. See, plants have these incredible cells called meristems, tiny powerhouses that can turn into roots or shoots. By giving the branch the right environment, you're basically whispering to those cells, hey, become roots. Now you play the waiting game. Keep the pot in a warm, bright spot. Filtered sunlight is best, not harsh midday rays. Mist the soil now and then, but don't drown it. In a few weeks, if you're lucky, you'll spot new leaf buds and eventually tiny roots poking out. That's your signal. Your mango branch is now on its way to becoming a full-blown tree. I tried this last summer, and let me tell you, watching those first roots pop out is pretty darn cool. Felt like I was running my own science lab, right on the porch. And if you're really patient, in a few years, that little branch could be throwing shade and if you're lucky, even producing fruit. Not bad for a backyard magic trick, right? Just imagine, the next time you snack on a mango, you could be picking it from your very own tree. All it takes is a snip, a pot, and a little belief in plant magic. So why not give it a go? Science and a little bit of fun, right at your fingertips. Thanks for hanging out, and remember, sometimes the best tricks are the ones you can eat.